We're doing it, there's this little sheet that came with it. It's the color guide. It says how many drops you need of like 1 or 2 colors or 4 or 3, I don't know. There's so many. There's this side we have and this side. I was having trouble before, but I know what color I'm using. I'm going to be using this color, teal, because I like green and blue, but teal is more green. 8 drops of blue and 2 drops of yellow. That's what I'm going to be making today. I'm going to fold that. And basically I have the glitter, and I have glitter here. I have silver, blue and white, purple and pink, gold, green and yellow, and pink. But I'm going to use this color today, the gold. Slide this over, and then I have, oh gosh, I need to drag it over. My gallon glue, or 2 gallons, contact solution, shaving cream, all these colors, but I'm only going to use the blue and yellow, so I should put all of these away. I have red, orange, yellow, blue, pink, brown, black, and crimson. I just messed up them all. So that's what that. I'm going to keep this out, and then, yeah, let's start. So first I've got to pour in the glue, which is really heavy, so I hope I do it fine. No. Forgot to waste some glue. I'm going to make a lot. And how much glue you put in is how much slime you're going to have. Oh, yes. Oh, no. Let it dry. Ooh, okay. That much glue. I'll just show you. That much glue. It's good. Okay. I'm not going to put a lot of glue on. This is heavy. Oh, I can't put the cap on. Okay. And then next, you add your special shaving cream. Oh, that's another one. Add your shaving cream. Shake it first. Whoa, I don't have a napkin. 1 second, but look how much shaving cream. Oh my God, I put so much. Crazy. This means I'm gonna have very fluffy slime, and that's good because you want like a lot, like fluffy slime. Obviously, we're making fluffy slime. Just put that right there. Keep on. Okay. Next, you mix. Obviously, I should have like. Wee. Ooh. Oh, that's very fluffy. Oh, look at that. It looks like a cloud. Here, I'll just spin it for you. Oh, I can't hold it. Well, that's what it looks like. I think I might need more glue, but we'll keep this. Oh, no, it got on my fingers. I hate when I get messy. That's why I have to make it in my basement sometimes. That's where all my old materials are. Oh, no. It's more on my finger. Okay. Oh, gosh. There we go. Okay, next up you add your color dye, and so I need 8 little. I need 8 drops of blue and 2 drops of yellow. If you want to make teal, verde, azulado, I don't know the color. Hey, Dad, come here. Dad, come here. Can't open it. I want to make teal. Here, open it. Look at this, Dad. Look how fluffy that's going to be. And then that. Okay, so you'll need. Oh no, the camera's falling. Oh, there's shaving cream on my phone. So you're going to add 8 drops. So let me just see. How do you squeeze it out? Dad, how do you squeeze it out?
Squeeze it, it'll drop one drop at a time.
I can't. Dad, I can't. What? It's like, no, look. I'm
Oh,
squeezing.
maybe it's sealed.
God, sealed. Dang it! I'm wasting up the time in the video.
Careful, you get it all over you. Seal that one.
Wait, I need to open this. Oh, gosh. Okay, now we know what to do. My dad's here.
One drop.
By the way, if you're making slime, just saying you should have a parent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 drops of blue, and it looks blue. And then you add 1, 2. It's like gel, kind of. Like it looks like gel. Okay, that's what it has so far. And then I added the yellow, yes. Oh, this looks so cool. Oh my gosh, look at that color. That looks amazing. The camera's falling. That looks really cool. I love this. And it's got even a menu, man. It's got a menu so you know what you want to make your slime. Ooh, I should do that on full camera. Oh, that color is beautiful. If you like green and blue, you should do that. Get blue and yellow food coloring. You put 8 drops of blue and 2 drops of yellow. It'll make this pretty color. Oh, guys, look at that. That looks so pretty. It looks really cool. So basically, that's the color you want to make. Whoa. If you want to make this, remember, you should get the materials. Okay, so I should put these right here. I'll clean up later. Clean up. That little kid song. Next, I'm in my glitter, my gold glitter. Oh, that don't. Oh. I need, wait, is it like sealed? Oh, there's a hole there. Dad, how am I supposed to open this? There's like a seal on it. Someone come here. What am I supposed to, how am I supposed to open this? It's like sealed, like not at the top, but like there's like foam. Look at this color.
Ooh, I like it.
See, it's 8 drops of blue, 2 drops of yellow. That's a really nice color. So now if you want to, you should get these get color right. So get the color right. This is the box. It looks like, and it has the menu of all the colors. So if you want to make like just regular red, like this color red, you have to do 36 drops of red. If you want purple, you have to do 20 drops of pink and 2 drops of blue. If you want to make green, 16 drops of yellow, 2 drops of blue. No. If you want to make blue, you can do this like grayish blue. You can do 2 drops of black and 1 drop of... Oh, and if you want to make pink, it says 1 drop of brown.
Okay.
That's really weird, but...
You just spin this, you turn the top to where it opens, but be careful, it's already coming out.
Oh, wait, what?
Pull it straight up because there's a, you'll see it, it'll come out.
I don't get it.
Keep turning it, you'll see.
Oh, gosh. I can't. I have to go the other way.
Careful, you don't dump it all in. There you go. It's going to come out a lot, so be careful.
No, it doesn't. It's not coming out. Dad, there's a seal.
Is it really?
Barely any comes out. There's a seal. Yeah, we did not open this before. We shouldn't have. We should have. You're about to get me all wet. About to get me all glitter. That's gonna look good, the glitter. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with the glitter. Oh. Are you looking? It's wind, Dad. Think about it.
What's that?
That doesn't come out. We're having problems with slime. Look at that pretty color. I know you guys are staring at it. I know you want to make this. Also, this is kind of a tutorial on making fluffy slime. But I usually, I told you before, I usually just make fluffy slime because Nacho, stop barking. Okay? Me puppies. Oh, pups. Oh, pups. Nacho wants some slime. Oh, puppy. There you go. My dad got it 1 minute. It's actually shy like. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I did. I did so much. Okay, now we're gonna mix it in. It's gonna look pretty. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Whoa. Okay, now it's all covered. So now I can add some.
Hey.
Beautiful. Oh no, it's all on my fingers. There's like no spot to hold. This is really pretty. Like, I love the color teal and gold together always. No. Yeah, no, because look how beautiful that looks though. I should add more. It's so pretty. Like, comment down below what colors you like the best. My colors are like teal and gold, actually. And I'm doing teal and gold right here. Like some people like on like runway show, like on the red carpet shows, they have like teal and gold, and that is what I mean. Oh, by the way, if you don't know what the difference between teal and turquoise is, teal is more green and turquoise is more blue. So if you like blue a little bit more than green, if you like them both, but you like blue a little bit better, your color should be turquoise. Now this, oh my gosh, I need so much glitter. This will probably be the last one. I'm adding so much glitter. This should be the last one because I don't want too much glitter slime. But I always add a lot of glitter because like it's just cool. Okay, I should be done with that. It doesn't look pretty anymore because, well, yeah, but it's fine. I'm putting another way, yes I am. Oh no! Dad, I can't put it on. Oh. Okay, we'll just clean it up later. Okay, so it's in, and now you add your last step, your contact solution, which makes the magic happen. The slime turns into slime. I don't really care how much you put in, because I just put in a lot, just as much, and then I see if I need more. I usually do, but hopefully this time I won't. I definitely need more. This looks amazing.